Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Painting Han, and today we are going to be painting some lovely cosmos flowers. Following the previous video, we'll be practicing the three stages of watercolor and coloring again. This time more slowly and in an easier way of explaining and coloring. And I will guide you step by steps, slowly and clearly, so you can follow along easily. Okay? Right after the sketch is finished, you can watch the three-step watercolor process. Don't worry. If you are new to painting, we'll go through we'll go through it together. Okay? Don't worry. Before we start, please hit the like button and subscribe. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you. Thank you so much. We will sketch with a quick and simple. I'm using a H pencil and lightly draw a large circle to mark the size of the flower. Then add a small circle in the center. Next, let's draw about 9 petals for this flower. This reference photo shows 9 petals, so I'll be drawing follow it. Let's draw each petal slowly, one by one. Try to keep them balanced. That's important for composition. Then draw a curved line downward for the stem. And draw two flower spots and a small side view of a flower. Carve the line, width, and draw a side view of a flower. Finally, let's add a few tiny leaves here and there. All right, we are going to start coloring. Step one is the lightest tone. I'm going to do a quick color test on the paper, and I will mix a small amount of ochre and bright violet with lots of water and apply it to paper. This paper, this is the light color. I mean light tone, light value. Let's apply it swift, gently over the petals, one by one. Then make sure to leave the tip of the petals white area. This area will be the highlights area. Can you see the white area? That will be the highlight area. Step 2, the middle tone and more pigment to your mix to create a slightly deeper mixture of color. This is the middle color. Paint the middle area of each petal while the paper is still damp, right? So the colors will naturally blend. I'm using a brush that's the Raphael Kolinsky brush. It holds a lot of water, so I press it gently on the paper. Um, so I press it gently on the paper towel to remove some water. Yeah, remove some water. Let's draw veins. Use tip of the brush lightly. Move your brush lightly and gently. If 3 is the darkest tone, use deep bright violet or mix of bright violet and a bit of magenta and thick opera. This is the deep color. Add this color to the center of the flower, around the center of the flower, and the space between the petals. Remove some color again, and now I'm using a almost dry brush. Draw quick light strokes from the center to the edge of the petals. You should use the tip of your brush. Don't press your brush hardly. Try to gentle touches. Now let's define the edges between the petals. Use the tip of your brush and move slowly. You don't need to draw a continuous line. Instead, break the line and vary the thickness line. And I'd like to paint a distance flower in a soft violet tone and add a deep violet on it. And some part, the tip area part, remove some colors. And then add deep violet on it. Okay. And now it's time to color the stem. We'll follow the same order, light green, mid green, and a dark green. Make sure the stem is not too straight. I mean, a slight curve makes it look more natural. I used uh, I will use the little bit different color, different value. Next, we'll paint the yellow center of the flower to pop it up. Even small space, but then uh, the center yellow area, we we are going to retouch up later. And maybe a small flower bus to create the beautiful painting. draw some tiny leaves under the buds. And I want to add some little dark purple on the stems. It'll be look more natural and airy. Yeah, I'm adding a brown on the center of the small area, yellow one. We are almost done, so take a moment to go back the petals and add any finishing touches. I mean, a final touch up. Take a very deep value color. Try again the center around the pearl. You can you can define the edges of the petals a bit more. Today I'm using opera, quinacridone magenta, and bright violet, and sap green, and a bit of yellow and brown. But if you don't have the same color with me, but you can make the own your paint, use your own colors. So don't worry. Just you can follow my techniques. For the final step, with the background lightly with clean water. And finally, let's add some paint splatters for the lively nature effect. That's the fun, fun part. I like this action or techniques. Use your finger and brush. Right, your cosmos painting is complete. Today, we focused on the three stages of color layering. I hope it was helpful for you. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Your support means a lot and really helps me keep going. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time with another painting. Bye.